I'm just a little hot right here. Woo! It feels good up in here.
Okay, icy.
Yeah. Oh, they have ices, but I can't eat it. Yo, call some bitches, yo. This week I have mad space up in here. We can go chill with the bitches and stuff.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'm gonna chill for a little.
Okay. Let's call the girls.
Drink my vodka. This is vodka right now.
Let's call the girls. I just called them to coming over.
Alright.
Yo, this is one of the little dudes that's gonna fucking with us, right, little dude? We can get some booty gooty.
We're gonna get some booty gooty. Alright, well, tell Jessica I did not eat her last ice cream cupcake.
What the fuck? I ate my ice cream cup. Oh shit, she heard you.
Shit, she heard me.
Okay, bye.